Hello, my name is Siaka, and today we're talking about how to find your true self.
Love.
So the reason why I wanted to make this video is because, well, not too long ago, I realized a couple of things about myself that basically helped me. And sometimes we get stuck in life, and sometimes we don't have a chance to take a step back and view different perspectives of our life that we didn't really know about. And if we don't know about different perspectives, and like we don't know about how we can see ourselves differently, we won't know how to move forward. We'll be stuck in like some kind of like mud, that like quicksand almost. The more we sink, the more we don't move forward, and we get stuck in this loop of like trying to figure out ourselves. We're doing things that you would think would make you grow, but you're just not seeing any growth in like actually like in life, like in your actual mind. So before I can even tell you how to find yourself, I want to just tell you how I found myself and when exactly. I've struggled to find myself for many years, and I used to I basically do graphic design, and I just try to express myself through my art. And the thing was, like, I would try to express myself so much, but like it wasn't working. Like I wasn't exactly expressing myself, but just putting out art that I didn't connect with. And I had to realize that first. I had to figure out, why do I feel like I'm not expressing my art? And that's what it is. You have to keep asking yourself, why do you feel a certain way about these things that you're doing? Like things that you do in your life, like rather it be making art, just doing the things that you want to do, partying. Why are you partying? Why are you doing what you're doing? And the more you ask yourself these questions, the more you can begin to realize, like, shit, I'm doing it the wrong way. Like the more the more I try to ask myself, why do I feel like this art isn't portraying who I am? And then it occurred to me, like, when I used to make art, I used to not think about what message I want to convey. Like I didn't really put much thought. I just did it, you know. And that's the thing. Like when you just do things for just the hell of it, you lose your sense of self. Like you don't know where to, like, this is coming from nothing. Like when you produce art, I'm just comparing it to myself, but when you produce art, it's supposed to be coming from yourself, your true self, which I didn't know who that was. And then when I discovered that, I then began to realize my insecurities in my life. I won't go too deep into it because it's just videos more about helping you. But I feel like if you see how I struggled and how I overcame the things that I overcame, it will let you relate to your life. And so like one of my insecurities, let me think. So say for example, I thought I was bad at playing guitar. Like I could not learn how to play guitar, and I always told myself this. I always told myself I wasn't good at it. I told myself that it just was not for me. Or making music, like I thought it was not for me. Like I thought that just wasn't something I could do. But literally, anyone can do that. Anyone can make art. Anyone can make music. Anyone can learn how to pick up a guitar and play it. I told myself I could not do these certain things. And like you don't know, like sometimes you don't know the power of what your words have, like the power of what can manifest in your head. Like if you constantly tell yourself you can't do something, if you constantly tell yourself I have a shit memory, if you constantly tell yourself that you can't draw, you can't do this, you can't do that, you will begin to not be able to do it, and you never will move up. Like you never will grow, because you put yourself in this box. And I didn't know I was putting myself in that box, but I again began to realize, like as soon as I started questioning myself, I began to realize that I've been telling myself this whole time that I can't do it. But if I actually believe that I can do it, I grow, like I learn. For this realization to happen, you have to kind of understand where you are coming from. You have to begin to try to understand yourself. So why you are the way you are, basically. And oh, you can actually, I made a video that might help you realize this and understand this concept of like understanding people, not just you, but everyone and humans in general. I'll leave a link to it in the description, and I'll probably pop it up on your screen. Why are you the way you are? You know, it's a lot of different factors. It's your environment, your parents, like it's your household or lack thereof. your household. You literally, like the saying, you are who your parents are. You literally are. And when I began to look at my parents, like, especially if you're a male or female, like you're like if you're a male, your dad, or if you're a female, your mom, and this just shows you how like you might not be exactly like them, or you might not see this. Like sometimes I used to be like, I never related to my parents. Like I feel like I did never connected to them, and it wasn't that I just never realized how similar I really am to my father. And that I began to question that, like, why am I not the way? Why do I think I'm not my father? And the reason why we don't connect these things is sometimes we get caught up in life. Like I like to call this like the fast lane. I know you know that song about the fast lane and whatever. But sometimes we get caught up in life and things happen. We have responsibilities. We have school, work, friends, family, social life. Like it's all that. And sometimes we get caught up in like just doing things that life brings us, and we don't have a chance to step back and realize the problems, the good things, the bad things, things that make you happy, things that make you sad. Like we don't have a chance to like reflect on things. And as a human, like you need to make time for you to reflect and understand yourself. And when I began to set aside time to do that exact thing, I began to fully understand myself and my insecurities, what I lacked, what were my strengths. Some people believe that meditation is like something that has to be about spirituality and something that has to be about chakras and everything. Everyone literally meditates. Meditation is reflection. Meditation is thinking about the world. Meditation is things that you just think about. And if you set aside time, not to just meditate, but to think and reflect, this will help you grow as a person. And once you realize this, you will start to want the best for yourself, you know. Like you realize that some of the things that you was doing isn't the best for your true self. You start to find yourself, that's what finding yourself really is putting yourself into things that you really want, like your true self wants. Another way to find yourself is to talk, to really talk. If you're not close to anyone in your family or friends or anyone, not even yourself, you can talk to me. Like literally, you can talk to me. If you DM me on Instagram, I'll give you my number. We can set up a call. Like I want you watching this video, I want you to be happy. I want you to experience life the way you need to experience. And I will talk to you. I will tell you exactly what you need to do in order to put yourself in a better headspace. Go on I'll put my Instagram right here. You can talk to me and I will talk to you. Like I will listen to you, everything that you have to say. Like if you feel like no one else is listening, I want to listen to you because I love you. I love each single one of you that's watching this video. Thank you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed this these serious kind of videos about yourself and about your growth and your personal path in life, leave a like and comment ideas. Just comment what you think. Like, what are your thoughts about this video, about life in general, about literally anything. I'll respond and I'll talk to you guys. So, thank you. Have a wonderful day.